following contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match and is for the WWE Championship.
What's going on here?
Here we go.
Come on, we need to get order here.
Now hold on, Cole. Let's just see where this goes.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Sling blade!
Nicely done.
Incredible agility!
Nailed it.
Oh, right to the back. Elbow drop.
Right to the heart.
The champ's on the defensive now. Many see him as one of the greatest champions of this era. Tonight is his chance to prove it.
It's hard to tell at this point, but perhaps the unpredictable nature of this match is too much for him to overcome.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner. I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action.
Oh my goodness, crushing it. Big headbutt. Boom, what a kick.
Just a nasty headbutt.
A bad place to be for the challenger. The champ clearly getting the best of him here.
Oh. Sling blade.
Nicely done.
Whoa, Rusev dodged that one. Oh boy, he is rolling. Judging from the feeling inside this arena, I think this crowd knows they may very well witness history here in this match.
Ooh, what impact. And Finn Balor's really taking a pounding.
I don't know how much more Finn Bálor has left.
He put up a good fight, but it may be the end of the line for the challenger here tonight.
He has got to do something quick. Belly-to-belly suplex.
One of these guys is going to walk away with the win here tonight. I just can't imagine one of them also accepting defeat.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap. It's like he's tapped into some unseen energy source.
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Beautiful technique. The WWE Championship is on the line.
The WWE Championship is on the line.
And Finn Bálor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
Finn Bálor, big move coming.
1916.
I don't know if Rusev could take much more of this.
Shoulders down, championship on the line. And he got a near fall out of it.
Just barely, but it counts.
Whoa, Rusev dodged that one. And I think, yeah, Rusev's busted up.
What a strike, right on the mark.
He's calling for it.
The end is near for him.
The WWE Championship is on the line. When this guy's on, look out.
And Finn Bálor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
Oh, man, backbreaker. Down goes the referee.
There was just no getting out of the way on that one.
He's not going to like this.
He's looking shaky. This could be the end.
Finn Bálor must have kissed the Blarney Stone because he's yapping out there.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity. Look out.
Rusev with a running super kick.
Can he finish him off here?
Going for the big
Harsh impact. Finn Bálor never ceases to amaze me.
Oh, and he's taken off his feet.
I'll tell you, he can't afford to be horizontal at this point in the match, Cole.
Rusev's.
The Bulgarian brute is the accolades locked in. Looks like this one's gonna go in the champ's favor.
Things do not look good for Finn Bálor.
And Rusev picks up the win.
Now let's take another look at these guys in action.
And so it goes.
Here is your winner, and still WWE Champion, Rusev.
And the first match of the night comes to an end in thrilling fashion.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at some